How to add cash to Cash App. So, hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add cash to your Cash App in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. Now, step number one, open the Cash App. So first unlock your phone and open the Cash App and you will see your balance on the home screen. After that, go to the Money tab. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and you will see a little bank icon. It looks like a building. Tap on it to go to your money section. After that, tap on add cash. Once you are in the money section, find the button that says add cash and tap on it. After that, enter the amount. Now you need to type the amount you want to add. It can be $10, $20, or any amount you can choose, and make sure you have enough money on your bank account. After that, confirm and add. So after entering the amount, tap add to continue. Cash App will ask you to confirm your PIN or fingerprint. Enter your PIN or scan your fingerprint to complete the process. And after that, it's done. So once you confirm, the money will be added to your Cash App balance immediately. Now you can use it to send money, pay bills, or buy things online. Now, bonus tips. If you don't have a bank account, link it yet, go to settings, then link it bank, and add your debit card or bank account first. That's it. Adding Cash App or adding cash to Cash App is super easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.